If you've ever felt like editing's what's holding your content back, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to go from idea to upload without touching a camera, hiring an editor, or opening 5 different apps with the power of CapCut's new free AI Video Maker. CapCut's AI Video Maker is built for creators who are tired of spending hours editing just to get something out the door. If editing's what's slowing you down, cleaning up audio, trimming filler, reformatting every platform, this is where that stops. You don't need a team, you don't need a bunch of different apps. You just need the tools that work with you, not against you. And here's the kicker. Once you have CapCut, CapCut's AI Video Maker is free. The link is in the description. Please use this link since it helps me make more videos like this for you to gain more value. Let's get started. Okay, so you've got an idea, something valuable, something worth sharing, but you have no camera, no mic, no time to manually edit B-roll or record a voiceover. CapCut handles the whole build from scratch. AI Writer creates your script, text-to-speech delivers the voice, script-to-video generates the visuals, and then auto captions and 4K export handles the finish. In under 10 minutes, in many cases 5 minutes, you've got a complete, polished explainer without filming a single frame. I'm going to show you how right now. Okay, so once you've downloaded CapCut or signed up for it, what you want to do is, if you don't know where this is at, you can use this URL and then go to New Project. And then here you can choose to put your own script, or you can just go to Script here and it'll create one for you. So we can say something like create a, or let's say the most interesting facts about tigers. And that's just something I thought of right now. You can put whatever you want. Whatever your idea is, it's going to help you make it. So here you can just say go over a list of traits that highlight the awesome tiger. Make it interesting and engaging. And that's it. So we're going to make it a 3-minute video because we don't have much time. And then you can copy another video style here by extracting it from the video, but you can't copy exactly. So be careful with this. And then in more requirements, you can say something creative, fun, and engaging TikTok video script. You can give it more requirements, but in this case we're just going to skip that and we're going to hit generate or create. And so you can see already it's creating 10 traits or 10 skills or things that tigers are known for, and it's going to be interesting and engaging. And as you can tell, it's already almost done. This is freaking crazy. And so, but the crazy part here, so we're going to hit use right here. Everything looks pretty good. The crazy part is that this is all in one app. It's not like in 5 different places that you have to sign up for. Okay, so let's say we're going to add a voiceover or an avatar. The avatar takes a little longer because you want to be more creative. So I'm going to go with voiceover, and we can hear people's voices here.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers. Welcome to creating voiceovers.
And then
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
I'm going to use one of my favorites, Bill. I actually hired Bill back when his voice wasn't on AI for one of my Amazon promo videos when I did one for my product that I was selling. It's still selling. And then, so we're going to hit play here. We're going to hear his voice.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
It's definitely one of my favorite voices. So we're going to hit apply to all scenes. And it's going to add the voice to every single section of the script. It's going to do it automatically. So we'll fast forward this part. Okay, and just like that, it finished. So we're going to listen to this video
10.
here.
They have an incredible sense of hearing. Tigers can hear sounds 10 times more faintly than humans. So if you're in the jungle and you hear a tiger, then run away fast. 9. There are no tigers in the Democratic Republic of the Congo.
So that voice is pretty amazing. I mean, it sounds very natural. We may have to add an intro here. It normally does it. It didn't do it on this one, but it will do it automatically. So that is crazy still that you can be able to do this kind of quality that quick. And then what you want to do here is after you do that, you can go to this little icon and you can choose your media for this part of the script. So if you want to have B-roll that you shot, you can put it there. Say you went to the zoo and you have some lion or tiger footage, you can add your own footage here. You can also add stock media that you have rights to, and then you can generative AI media. You can tell AI to create a video for you with this script here. Or I'd like to just match stock media to all, so then you come over here and you click on this button, and then it'll automatically cross-reference the text that's here, or that part of the script, to a video library full of real videos with tigers that then, look at this. It already finished all of it. This is insane. Look at this stuff. This is amazing. All right, so we're going to play the video here. Let's see how it sounds.
10. They have an incredible sense of hearing. Tigers can hear sounds 10 times more faintly than humans. So if you're in the jungle and you hear a tiger, then run away fast. 9. There are no tigers in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Despite being home to many different animals,
and just like that, I mean, that level of video quality is insane. I did that so quick. If I wasn't doing this tutorial, it would have been done faster. So you can already start to imagine what you can do to this. If that helped you or gave you value, a like really helps my small channel grow. I'm about to show you exactly how I build one from scratch, and trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss this. Look at these templates here. So we're gonna do one of, let's see, there's some kind of incredible animal facts, Jesus says, Jurassic period facts, learn for success, inspirational quotes. Okay, so we're gonna click on this one here. So let's say you have a favorite verse in the Bible. You can just copy and paste it from wherever you have the verse. For I was hungry and you gave me something to eat. I was thirsty. So this is one of the most famous Bible quotes. It's a great one for sure. So anyway, let's say we want Radiant Jesus. We can choose which one, and then we hit create. And then it's going to take those verses of the Bible and it's going to create its own version of it. You can also say the Bible verses directly. You can go back and edit that. But I'm just going to let it create some kind of video with that verse and see what it comes up with. Okay, so we're just going to fast forward this. It says that it may take 2 minutes. Sometimes it's even faster. Okay, and just like that, it's already done. And it already added the Jesus here and all of the script here. This is amazing. If you're feeling lost or alone, this message is for you. Like, what a great line opener that it came up with, right? And so what you want to do here is, this is ready to go. We can just hit play. Check it out.
If you're feeling lost or alone, this message is for you. Listen closely, for Jesus has a special word today.
Like, that is pretty incredible. Like, the voice, the way it's doing it. And then you can come here and change the voice if you would like. Or if you want the text, that matches kind of the theme here. But say you don't like the text, you can go to elements and you can click on this one. It highlights the word that he's speaking at the time, so people can follow it pretty quickly. It kind of adds more of a hook to the video, so people are more glued to it. So that kind of helps with your audience retention.
If you're feeling lost or alone, this message is for you.
Like, that's pretty amazing.
Listen closely, for Jesus has a special word today.
I mean, the words are synced to his voice. Like, it's pretty incredible. Like, this was taking minutes to do. Just imagine what you could do if you had more time. You can see how clean that looks. That's not a workaround. That's production level quality built in minutes. And for the third build, we're going fully animated. Characters, motion graphics, and story. If you ever wanted to make a video that feels like a mini show or explainer cartoon, this one's for you. So let's say you want to tell a story, teach a skill, or break down a topic with personality. But you're not on camera and stock slideshows aren't going to cut it. AI character animates your delivery. AI stock fills out each scene. Keyframe animation adds movement and energy. Color grading and captions put it all together. You walk away with a custom animated character-led video that feels engaging, smart, and on brand. Okay, so let's choose this one. So we can say like 12 facts about, let's say 12, we can choose a theme, I don't know, chemistry, facts you don't learn every day. That'd be good, right? And so that's all you have to do. You can choose 3 different ones. Let's choose a little boy here, I guess. And then we'll let it do its thing. Okay, and just like that, it's already done. So we'll go ahead and play this here.
12 chemistry facts that will blow your mind. Number 12. Water can boil and freeze at the same time under specific pressure conditions. Water can exist in all three states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as a...
So it adds the music and everything. And if you don't like the music or something or the voice, you can come up here and change the music to anything you would like. Or you can change even the voice, right? 3 styles, 3 completely different use cases, 1 platform, CapCut AI. The real power isn't just in how fast these videos come together, it's in how they remove the resistance that kills momentum. And if you're trying to stay consistent, scale your message, or just make great content without the grind, you just saw what's possible. Most video editors make you choose. Either it's simple but limited or powerful but complicated. That trade-off kills consistency. You either burn out editing or settle for content that looks rushed and forgettable. CapCut finds the middle. It's fast, but not dumbed down. It's flexible, but still intuitive. You finally get momentum. You get to focus on your message, your story, your audience, instead of wasting time trying to figure out key frames or syncing captions. And that's the shift most creators miss. They think AI tools are just shortcuts, but when they're used right, they're catalysts, force multipliers, workflow stabilizers. If you're serious about making high quality content and doing it consistently, this kind of AI support is the edge most creators don't take seriously until they fall behind. Start with one tool, try script to video, or use auto captions on your next clip. Then stack another. The real benefit shows up when these features work together like I showed you, like a creative assembly line. You don't have to pick between speed and quality anymore. You just have to use the right tools. And if you want to see a part 2 of this video where I take my time to create a well thought out video in a real niche that has a lot of traction on YouTube, please let me know in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.